Hello everyone, welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to change refresh rate or motion smoothness in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down a bit, then go to display. Here you can see motion smoothness option, then tap on it. Now from here you can see two options of refresh rate. One is high and another is standard. If you select high, that means your refresh rate will select 90 Hz, and if you select standard, then your refresh rate will select 60 Hz. If you use 90 Hz refresh rate, you can get smoother animations and scrolling. On the other hand, if you select 60 Hz, you can get a longer battery life. If I select high and then tap on apply, now tap on motion smoothness again. Now you can see in my phone 90 Hz refresh rate is selected. And that is how you can change refresh rate or motion smoothness in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.